Yeah, it is right. If US could prefer that solution of Ekpa being careful, it is right. If I could give Ekpa advice as my brother, Ekpa should be careful. Because Nigeria, you see, Fulani government, they always budget huge amount of money to make sure that they bring Igbo man down. So which is why I'm trying to suggest to him, wherever he goes, he should be careful. Wherever he is dining, whining, and eating, Ekpa should be careful. In Finland, I know, is one of the most advanced countries in Europe, but Simon Ekpa should be careful. The British man, the MI5, the Secret Service agents that are working for the Royal Palace of Birmingham on Her Majesty's Secret Service. Today is on his, Majesty's Secret Service. On his Royal Highness, that's Charles. Ekpa should be careful. MI5, they are there. Ekpa should be careful. Are you listening to me? Then again, on his job, he's doing the job of agitation and sensitizing the whole world about Biafra. Ekpa is doing the right thing. But the issue of securing himself, he should put more effort to work more on it. Because danger lurks. When Nigerian government says they are going to extradite him willy-nilly, either by diplomacy or by, abduction, Ekpa should be very careful. Whatever we are doing in this life, we shouldn't allow sentiment to overrule self-control. Are you listening to me? Ekpa should be careful. So that federal government of Nigeria should not, cannot do that. So that British Secret Service agents cannot succeed on doing that. Because I know Britain is with Nigeria. England is with Nigeria to bring Igbo man down. And I've been telling them that no matter what happens, come what may, emancipation of Biafra sovereignty is at hand. It has come. See, if anything happens to nnamdikanu in the SS facility, Igbo man will rise up and Nigeria will go down. See, Fulani, their craft, their dynasty, their empire, Fulani's imperialism is going down now as I'm talking to you. A little drop of water makes a mighty ocean. Al-Sama has started issuing quit notice to the Fulanis in the north. Gradually it goes, it works. And Fulani Emirates all over north is diminishing. As I'm talking to you now, come what may. I know that Sanusi has been resetted. As he is sitting back to become Emir of Kano again, Sanusi Lamido must be packing all his load. He's not an Hausa man, he must go. The way he was deposed, I wasn't happy then. But today I'm telling you that he must go. The owners of the land that they have come and found out the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy of the Fulani man in the north has been detected by the original Hausas, the natives, the owner of the land. So what I'm trying to say is that Nigeria will get its bearing back and the Igbo man is gone. Nigeria will be for Nigerians, Oduduwa for Oduduwans, Biafrans. Biafra is for Biafrans. Us, we are the one.
Okay, and lastly, Wole Soyinka has come and said that nnamdikanu was kidnapped. He was kidnapped. The spirit of Biafra, is something that the ideology of Biafra can never die. And they should not think the federal government should not think that the way they see Biafra and the time passes, the way they see Biafra now, that nnamdikanu should be released. That Tinubu should release nnamdikanu. That he has not done anything bad. He has not killed anybody. He has not bombed any place, and they've not caught him with ammunition. So why are they still holding that? It's a big mistake holding on to nnamdikanu. What can you say to this?
Yes. Wole Soyinka has said the truth. Yes. Yes. That is a yes movement this time around. The current yes movement across the globe is yes, nnamdikanu was illegally abducted in Nairobi. Nigeria government should just take him back to where they brought him from. Nnamdikanu isn't a criminal, he was not caught with any drug, and he has not killed anybody. Yes, it's a yes movement started by I for Nnamdikanu's release. Yes, yes, Wole Soyinka has said the truth. That was why Wole Soyinka was jailed 57 years ago during the war. Wole Soyinka was campaigning against Nigeria, incessant incarceration, incessant arrest, incessant bombardment, killing and decimation of Igbo people. He said that Biafra is an idea, an ideology that is in the heart and mind. That days are coming, days were coming, when the children of the current Biafran soldiers then will spring up and hold what? Steadfastly on Biafra. And that days are now. You see it? Wole Soyinka is a prophet on that angle. Yes, he saw it. See, Nnamdikanu took it upon himself, and he has done it more than Ojukwu. He has done it more than my namesake, Rafu Wazulike. He has done it more than anybody. See, let me tell you, Biafra is an ideology that has sticked, strictly sticked, gummed, magneted, attracted in the hearts, minds of every Biafran. Are you listening to me? It can never be what? Extricated. You can't leave it. You can't let go. It is here. We have nursed it for years. We have groomed it for generations. From 1957 to now is a generation and 27. Nearly 3 years, Biafra is going to be 3 generations after the war. 3 generations of Biafrans. A generation is 30 years. Biafra is 57, the war. For generation of people, 1 and going to 2. Oga, we had gone too far. We are not talking from the angles of beer parlor discussion. We are not talking from the angles of miscreants, Aboru. No, we are talking from the angle of intellectualism. Okay, we have intellects in southeastern Nigeria. We have intellects in Nigeria. An intellect, Nobel laureate, has spoken. Wole Soyinka. We should begin to dance to the music, costumes of intellectualism. We are tired of quackery. We are tired of illiteracy. Tinubu said he went to Chicago University, came back with Asambodo. And Asambodo that he will be likened to NEPA bill. His certificate is NEPA bill. And let me tell you, if actually we could do attestation of WAEC result, Tinubu did not pass GCE or WAEC. Okay, we are talking and speaking from the angle of intellectualism. Biafra must be free. Wole Soyinka must raise up his flag. Light up your candles up. Light your candles up. With Biafran flag comes 29, 30 of May. That's whom we are. Independence of Biafra is here. I like him. I like his people. I like her land and flag. Everything there for Biafra land. Let us join hands and promote Biafra. Thank you, my brother. I'm done.
Thank you.
Oh, Hope Uzodinma. Ebelege mebuere mu. Hope Uzodinma ebelege mebuere mu. Oh, Ngbere bialu pasa ula akwa mozu mamia. A lizard that has scattered the funeral of his mother. Ah, Hope Uzodinma ebelege mebuere mu. Chetakwe na ekesie n'obi aga ke na mkpuke. Ewu eberebe egbuo. Ndị ọmụma ọlụ. Ndị ọmụma n'ọlụ. Ndị ọlụ ka ndị melu na ihe a n'Igbo land. Ọlụ land n'Igbo ka ndị melu na ihe a. Ọnụ bụ isi Igbo. Is Ọlụ the progenitors of the Igbos? Are the Ọlụs trying to tell us that they are going to replace Aguleri, Nri, Agukundri, Arochukwu, Abreba, and those Igbo progenitors? Is Hope Uzodinma trying to tell us that Aguleri, that we don't have our pedigree anymore? Kedika Hope Uzodinma geji de hendi Igbo na eme mebisi anya. Hope Uzodinma eberege mebuere mu ewu nwa mu. Oh, onwu nwatakila ajoka is a dead man walking. See, let me tell you. Comes what May 29/30, the Remembrance Day for the fallen heroes. The heroes that may have at least emanated from that region of Igbo land, that community, Olo, Omoma. They died during the Biafran Civil War. Fulani man, Nigerian soldiers did not spare Olo people. They killed everybody. They killed Anambra, they killed Imo, they killed Enugu, they killed Ebonyi. Everybody in Igbo, everywhere, were scattered graves of Biafran heroes in Igbo land. It is not going to stipulate that only Onitsha people died, only Nnewi people died. It's only in Oyagwa Bagana that people died, Biafrans died. Every Igbo, Enugu, everywhere, Abakaleke people, they died. Aguleri people. Igbo Idigo lost his son, Akwuba. Igbo Idigo lost his son during the war. See, let me tell you, all of us in Igbo land, we are remembering our fallen heroes during Nigeria, Biafran civil war. Omuma people, Olu people, please go and know what you can check this guy. I want you to put this guy on check. He is talking what the ancestors, Igbo ancestors, the progenitors of Igbos, debunk. We debunk it, we reject it, we renounce it, we denounce it. What Hope Uzodinma is saying with his mouth is abominable to the highest order. See, let me tell you, nobody is going to stop a particular aggrieved people from remembering the death of their loved ones. No matter what Hope Uzodinma is doing now, no matter what Tinubu is doing, no matter what that Chief Justice of Nigeria, no matter what the AGF, Fagbemi, that has come out and said it's only the court that can set nnamdikanu free. Why not set him free? Has not appeal court set him free? Has not Nigerian court set him free? Hope Uzodinma is ranting. Hope Uzodinma is quacking. Obago. Look! Hope Uzodinma is hooting. He hoots. He is an owl. Hope Uzodinma is mowing. Moo is a cow. Is a bull. See, Hope Uzodinma is chirping. Is a sparrow. Yeah, Hope Uzodinma is mewing. He's a cat. Hope Uzodinma is crying. He's a human being. See, let me tell you, no matter how he wails, Hope Uzodinma can be wailing from here to Middle East. Igbos must remember the fallen Biafran heroes. Buhari cannot stop us. Buhari did not stop us. Malami, the worst Nigerian AGF so far, did not stop Igbos from remembering their loved ones that died during the war. What Hope Uzodinma is saying? Is he out of his mind? Doesn't Hope know that Akwuba Nwa Ezenwi Digo Naguleri died? He doesn't know that Akwuba Nwa Ezenwi Digo died during the war. So Aguleri people will not remember him. Idigo family will not remember him. 2930, Biafran Remembrance Day. Remembrance Day. Commemoration of the fallen heroes of Igbos. The people that died in their large number from 1967 to 1970. That's 6 months. We must remember them. Hope cannot stop us. Imo state government cannot stop us. Listen and listen good. In our community, they should go now and dig deep and find out who impregnated his mother. Hope Uzodinma father is not an Igbo man. He is from Benue State, if not from Borno State or Sokoto State. Hope Uzodinma's father is a Fulani man. Hope Uzodinma's father is a Fulani man. He could never be an Igbo man because blood is thicker than water. And there is this connection with the blood. It goes with the blood. If your mother dies now, sorry, I'm just using this as an example. The connection that the blood you have with your mother, no matter where you are, you must get the message that something wrong has happened. If Hope Uzodinma is of Igbo blood, he wouldn't have been saying this. Hope Uzodinma is a Fulani paternity. The father of Hope Uzodinma is from Borno State, Kanuri. The father of Hope Uzodinma is from Sokoto State. He's not from Igbo blood. Are you listening to me? There is something you should observe about blood connection. It runs faster than radioactivity. It is a spiritual thing. Oga, in the spirit, there is no distance. If you are in America, it can connect faster than seconds. Blood is faster than radioactivity. Hope Uzodinma is not of Igbo extraction. Hope Uzodinma's father is from Fulani land, Futajelo Island. That's why Hope Uzodinma is preaching against Igbos, remembering their fallen heroes. Ojukwu died. Hope Uzodinma doesn't want us to remember Ojukwu. Onwatuegu died. Hope Uzodinma doesn't want us to remember Onwatuegu. My brother Anene Uzodinma died. Hope Uzodinma doesn't want me to remember my brother Anene that died. My brother Okechukwu Atuanya, the most handsome man in my kinsmen, he died in the war. My brother, the most handsome man in my community is my brother Okechukwu Atuanya, Chidozie Atuanya. We are fine people. Listen and listen good. Okechukwu Atuanya, my auntie, he died during the war. We must remember him. Hope Uzodinma cannot stop me. Hope Uzodinma is of Fulani paternity, proven, cleared, concealed, consigned, and signed. Finally, nobody could doubt this. They should go and confront Amuma community. They should go to Imo State Government House and run DNA. Hope Uzodinma is not of Igbo extraction. Yes, I'm saying it. Don't you know I'm saying it? Do you think I'm afraid? I'm speaking from the heart. I'm speaking from heart. Hope Uzodinma is not an Igbo man by what? Conception. When coition takes place between man and man, the spermatozoa do what? Fertilizes the egg and we come into life. Hope Uzodinma's spermatozoa is from Fulani land. Nniana Chinama. Nna Hope Uzodinma na Chinama. Nna Hope Uzodinma na Chinama. Which is why Hope Uzodinma cannot see what is good in Igbos. Igbos remembering their loved ones that died. I listen to what I'm saying. He grabbed Emeki Odioha's mandate. And the Igbo land went agog. Fire on the mountain started immediately. Hope Uzodinma stole Emeki Odioha's mandate in Imo State. From then till today, there was fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. Failure to run is gonna consume you. So since 2020, 2019, there was a fire on the mountain in Imo State, in Enugu State, across the whole Anambra, across the whole southeastern Nigeria. Because Hope Uzodinma, number 1419 in Nigeria, advanced fraud free, has stolen somebody's mandate. Now he's telling us not to remember our loved ones that died in the Biafra land.
But do you not think it will be bad if he doesn't pay salaries?
Listen and listen good. Hope Uzodinma is trying to deceive us about paying salary on that date. Hope Uzodinma is supposed to be paying on 22. On 22 of every month, Obi paid salary. On 22 of every month, Peter Gregor Obi paid salary. What is stopping Hope Uzodinma from paying salary? Is oil not? Is Imo State not among the oil-producing states of the Federation? Why is Hope Uzodinma won't pay salary on 22? Obi paid salary, Gregor Obi paid salary on 22. Hope Uzodinma did not defeat Labour Party. He did not defeat PDP. A rogue, a crooked man. Nemesis is coming after him. Nemesis is coming after him. Nemesis is coming after him. Law of retribution is a natural law that God has put down. It goes by spiritual network. Runs faster than radiation. Wherever hope resides today on the earth, planet Earth, USA, UK, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, Oceania, it is coming after him. A lizard that has caused confusion during the funeral of his mother. Hope Uzodinma cannot stop Igbos from remembering the fallen heroes during Nigeria Biafran Civil War.